Hello. Now, this video is just going to be a quick one, just to go over some quick fistings, some quick fixes for common problems that you can have with your models. Now, this is one I've just made for a tutorial for pony avatars, and you can see here in the model it's got like this little tear here, and there's other little things with the model which don't look quite right. So I'm just going to go over some common things which can fix things quite easily. These are just quick fixes that may not fix your exact model, but it does work for a lot of problems. So I'm just going to go over them. The first one is remove doubles, or it used to be called remove doubles. Now it's changed with the latest version of Blender. So if you go into edit mode and select all of your vertices by pressing A, if you press M and then merge by distance, this is the old remove doubles button. It's been renamed and changed. So click that. And you can see it's removed nearly 3,000 vertices. So what that does is it removes any vertices that are overlapping, and that can cause like shadowy, like blinky effects. So we've done that. The next one you can do is recalculate normals. So what that is we go into face. That's it, mesh. You go into mesh and then into normals and then recalculate outside. And that's a common one if you get a bit of a blinking black effect where it looks like it flickers, and that just you can have with your normals, or also called faces. These parts here, you see how you have these sections that are in between the vertices. These can get muddled up so that they try and be a solid surface on the wrong side, and it can cause those flickering effects. So that's a little trick that can get rid of a few of them. So there's still a few artifacts with this. So the main one I wanted to fix was this one here in front. So you see there's like this black tear, and it looks pixelated, so it's probably to do with the texture or the mapping of it. So to fix this, what we're going to do is just expand this and switch this to the UV editor. Now in the top window you want to press tab to go into edit mode, and then press A to select all your vertices. And then what we want to do is make sure we've got the correct material selected. Sorry, usually these are merged. There we go. And you can see how all the body is mapped to this particular texture. So let's find our tear. There it is. And what we need to do is just select these vertices by using shift and right click, and we can see where it's mapped to in here. So you can see it's mapped to these ones, and since it's just blue, it's quite an easy one to fix. So I'm going to move it doesn't look like that one's a problem, so I'm just going to move it anyway. Here we go. Then we move to the other side. We saw the other one, and I think this is our problem here. There it is. The UV is mapped just across the edge. So let's grab all of these, press G, and let's move it, and there we go. Problem removed. So yeah, that's just a quick fix for some excuse me, it's just a couple of, I can't talk. So yeah, that's just a couple of quick fixes which can very easily fix some very horrific looking models, and it is usually some normals or something which are overlapping, or some vertices, or just a texture that's not quite mapped properly. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.